3, 2, 1. So now let's discuss about the site monitoring application. This application is designed and developed by the NAWAZINDA groups in order to keep in mind to avoid all the bottlenecks suffer in the construction industry. So this is basically the interface of the site monitoring application, how it will going to be looked. This application is based on a 3-role model, that is the owner part, contractor part and the employer part. If you are a new user, you can register over here, select your suitable plan and based on your requirement, and can explore the beauty of this application. So now let's dig into the owner part. I'm already been registered, so I'm going to log in with my credentials. Once I'm logged in into the application, this kind of interface I will get. Let me give you a small introduction what is exactly a site monitoring is. For an instance, I'm in Mumbai. I want to create my site in New Delhi. My site in the sense, if I want to build 3 towers in Delhi, I'm in Mumbai. It's not compulsory that I can go and visit my site. I can just do all this stuff with just one place and one click. This application will help me to assign to the contractor, assign to the subcontractor, and they will start working. I'll get all my reports regarding my documentation, my Excel sheet, my PowerPoint, my drawings, my details of the project, what is the percentage, how much percentage the project is completed. I will get everything in just one click. So as the name suggests, site monitoring is just simple mean one place, one system. So now as I'm entered into the owner part, so now let me explain you step-by-step process of the owner part, from the creating site till the in-depth information. So now I'm going to show you how to create a site. This is the tab where you have to click it on create site. This type of the interface you will get to create your site. For example, I'm just entering all the details randomly. I'm creating one site and I'll show you in-depth step-by-step process. My site name is DLF phase 2. My site code will be 32156. City, state, country, latitude, longitude and location. So now I'm already aware about my lat long position in Delhi. So what I'll do, I'll just type my lat long position, and once my lat long position will be submitted, the map will automatically divert me to that particular location to create the boundary. I'm having my lat long position. Anybody, like if for example, if I'm having my working site in Saudi Arabia or anywhere, London, what I just need the lat long location, lat long credentials. I'll put over here this area, lat and long. This application will divert me to the exact location where my plot is. So now I'm having my credential for my Delhi office. So I'm just entering my lat long position. Once I have entered my lat long position, I'll do this application will divert me towards the location where I am looking for. Just a second. I have to check my lat long position once again. I have submitted my lat long position. So now it is diverting me where my exact plot is. So once I'll find my plot area, what I will going to do, I'm going to assign, for example, this Dr. Karni shooting range, which the lat long position I have entered. So I just need to create the boundary fencing in my location. As you can see, there's a green part where is my plot is. So now I am geofencing this area. You just have to tap everywhere where your plot is. So for example, I'm tapping over here, I'm tapping over here, I'm tapping over here. So let me once I'll tap on each and every part, my geofencing area will be done, and I'll click on the show boundary. It will display this is your plot. Do you want to save it or not, or do you want to reset it? Okay, this is my plot I'm considering, so I'm saving this boundary. I will enter over here city, New Delhi. This is a small registration process for your site. New Delhi, the Delhi NCR. Country will be India. Add site. Once the site is being developed, the site is created, you will get a pop-up notification. Now the second step will be, what is the purpose of the site? You will going to display this kind of interface where you have to enter your what is the purpose of the site, what is the budget, target of completion, and the other credential. Like for example, I want to put construction of a 3-tower with a swimming pool, with a clubhouse, and so and many, like you can put anything you want to enter respected to your particular site. For what is the purpose of this site? Development of 3-tower. Of 3 towers. The budget will be 30 crore. Target of completion will be 3 years. Others will be, I want to construct 2 towers. 2 towers with swimming pool, and 1 clubhouse. Here is my email ID. My contact number. So once I've entered all my credential over here, the next step will be to click on the submit button. This will, or the site will automatically save and it will move to the unassigned site. I'm showing you. Once I'm clicking on this tab, that is the unassigned site, here it will show DLF phase 2. This is my site. This site is not yet assigned to any kind of contractor or subcontractor, or not even assigned to any kind of employee. So this site will become in my unassigned site region. Once I'll click over here, I'll get a pop-up notification where it will going to show me to view my site, update my region, assign to contractor, add contractor. For example, if I want to view my site, what is my site is? I'm the owner, I'm having a 3-4 site. So it's not compulsion like I'll remember each and every site in detail. So this application will help you to keep all the site in a sequential manner. Like my construction, my unassigned site will be in the unassigned site, unassigned part. All the assigned site which have already been assigned to a contractor, this will be moved to the unassigned tab. So as you can see, I have tapped on the view my site. This is my site. Location is. Once I click on the map, I'll take you once again. Once I'm click over here, it will going to show me the site detail. Site name DLF phase 2, site code with 32156, contractor name, yet the contractor is not assigned at this site, so contractor name is null. Site address, Shooting Range Road, Asola Wildlife Sanctuary, Asol, New Delhi, State New Delhi, country null right now. Site budget is 30 crore, target of completion is 3 years. Purpose of site is development of 3 towers. Other, I want to conserve whatever the credential I've entered while creating the site, all thing will be displayed over here in site detail. If I also want to modify my credentials, like if I want to update my region, so even I can do it with my update site details. Here even I can do any kind of modification and click on submit button. That application will going to be saved over here. Once this process will be done, my site is unassigned, still in the unassigned process, because I have not assigned to any kind of contractor and the subcontractor. Once I click on the add contractor, suppose if I'm a new user or a new registration person, there is no contractor is automatically been added in the application. You have to add your contractor from here. This kind of a tab you will going to display, where you have to enter your first name of the contractor, last name of the contractor, mobile number, email ID, contractor name, contractor code, year of experience, minimum and maximum working capacity budget, address, city, country, others, etc. and the add contractor. The contractor will going to be added, but unfortunately I'm already having my contractor added in my list. So what I'll do, I'm just clicking on my assign to contractor. I've already done this process. The contractor has been added in my credentials, so I'm assigning to a contractor. This kind of a page will be going to be displayed. Here it will going to show you your site name, site code, city. I have to select my contractor. I have currently I'm having two contractor. One contractor is in Riyadh and the other contractor, both are contractor from Riyadh. But if I want to assign one of this contractor, even I can assign this contractor from India, I can add the contractor from any of the country you want to add. Right now I'm having this two contractor from the Riyadh, so I am clicking on LNT from Riyadh. I'm assigning this site, so this site is assigned successfully. Okay, once my site is assigned, now this site from the unassigned site, as you can see, the DLF phase 2, which I have the site, previously it was coming over here in the unassigned site region. Now it is been moved from unassigned site to the assigned site. As you can see, there is a no site available over here. It's also showing me no any assigned sites, unassigned sites. Now that unassigned site is moved to the assigned site area. As you can see, it's been reflecting over here, DLF phase 2. This site has been already assigned to a contractor. If I want to view my site, I can view my site. I can also get all my site details, as I explained you. Everything I'll be going to explain. Now if I want to track, right now I have just assigned that site to the contractor. That contractor has not assigned to any employees or any kind of subcontractor, so I'm not able to view my tracking part. So what I'll do, I'm going to select one of the site, DLF phase 2. Here it will going to, here it's already been showing no any employee is been assigned to this site, so I'm not able to track anyone over here because no contractor contractor has already been assigned, but the contractor have not assigned that site to any kind of subcontractor, any kind of employee. So here it has been showing all the blue area with the pop-up note like no employee is been assigned. For example, I have just created few sites. Let me check where my the employees has been attached. As you can see, there is one employee. This employee is currently offline, but still I'm getting the pop-up like the last location of this employee was over here on my site. He was working. If I'll click on the emoji of this application, I will going to open this page where the live tracking of that employee will going to be happen. Right now, as I told you, that the worker is offline, so once he will be back to the site, he will turn on his location service and the tracking will be possible. Here I can live track my employee. I can even message them. I will even access for a quick cam. I will access for an exchange where I can exchange my reports, my document, my Excel sheet, each and everything I can access from over here. If I want to view my profile of the employee, I can view my profile. Currently, there is this product is the user is offline. Once the user will come online, I'll get his name, his email ID, his contact number, his date of joining. Everything will be displayed over here with just one click. For example, if I'm clicking on the quick cam, let me tell you what is exactly the quick cam is. For example, my employee is working on a particular site. I am the owner, so if I request him, I need the actual photograph, what exactly my construction things is happening on tower A on the floor number so and so. So what I'll do, I'll going to click on quick cam. I'll message him first, I need the live photograph of that particular thing. So I'll click on the instant photo. I'll request for photo. Once, as you can see, no any employee over here, I'll request for a photo. That photo request will be raised to the employee. The employee will going to get the notification about it, and employee will click on the quick cam in his employment login credential. He will going to click the photograph. He will going to send me with the detailed note. So I have completed this site. that floor number so and so has been completed, only this part is remaining, so that I'm sitting in Mumbai, I'm getting this information from the Delhi with just a one click. I'm requesting everything from here. It's not compulsory that I have to go physically over there and see what's my position, what's my site detail, how much product is completed, how much project is pending. I don't need to go and physically check. You can check, access everything with each small details, documentation, everything from here. For example, now if I am the owner, okay, if I'm the owner, I'm visiting my site for inspection purpose, that my site is actually going in a process what I have exactly planned for. So so this is the instant photograph for the owner part. I have visited my site, I have seen my construction area. This is, suppose for example, this is my construction area. I have noticed that this board should not be according to my plan, but still the contractor have put this board. What I'll do, I'll click on instant photograph, I'll click the picture of that photo, the board. I'm going to raise this photo, send this photo to the contractor, and I'll type all the note and task. Okay, dear sir, I have seen like some kind of malfunction on my site. This board is not according to my plan, and so you have to change this board immediately. So this photo from the instant photo will go to all the contractor which has been assigned on the site. It will go to the employee or a labor assigned to that particular part of the site where he or she is working on, and they will get an instant photo. Like, okay, we have to change this product, we have to change this board right now, as it has been request raised from the owner. I have explained you, as I'm telling you, there is no any employee has been online right now, so it's showing the blank screen. Once the employee is there, you will get the emoji of each and every employee moving here and there. That part I will going to explain you in the contractor part. You will going to view, because my employees are not available over here. Once they will come, I will start exploring the live tracking part in the contractor part. Both contractor and the owner, the live tracking part same. The contractor part, the contractor will only going to track their employees, but the owner will going to track their contractor, their employees, and whomsoever working on the site. These are the few credentials. So live tracking has been done. Live chat. What exactly the live chat is? You have already used WhatsApp, Hike Messenger, and many more social networking sites where the chat thing is happening. This is the same thing, live chat. You have to register with your mobile number. You have to register with your mobile number. For example, I'm putting over here my mobile number. Verify your phone number. You will get a 6-digit OTP code. I'm not entering right now because my mobile is far away from me. My mobile is in use. So I'll get a 6-digit OTP code. I'll put my OTP code, and you will going to explore your live chat, similar as kind of different messenger, where you can send your photographs, you can send your documents, you can send any kind of file, you can chat any of the employee from the particular site or the site boundaries. You can chat with anyone, anywhere with just one click. So we have integrated an application where you can get everything in one place. Now I've explained you this verification live chat part. Now the instant report. This instant report is still on the working upgradation part, so this it's not working, but I'm going to explain you what is the instant report is. For example, if I'm clicking on the instant report, I'm going to display this kind of screen where my all assigned site will be displayed over here. This is my DLF phase 2, which I have created a few minutes ago, as I showed you. I'll click over here. It will going to show me this kind of select employee or a contractor. Here there is a drop down menu where I can select my contractor or employee and can access for an instant report. If here currently this site is for an upgradation, so it's not working right now. But what is this instant report is? If I select any contractor, for example, I've created one contractor, I've assigned to a contractor L&T. As you know, I'll select for a contractor. If I need an instant document, any kind of document, I need a document for this board, I need an Excel report, like what is the budget, what is the completion target, how much debt is still pending, how much they still require. Everything I'll get in just one click within a minute. As I click on the contractor, this request will immediately raise to the contractor to send me the instant report as soon as possible. So he will get a notification about this, and he will going to send me ASAP, because there is a time limit. Like if I have raised the instant report, he will get a time duration of 3 to 4 hours. He will going to send me the instant report in duration of that time. Once I'll receive the report, I can view my report, what is the report is, and I can analyze it. I can contact it, and if any kind of further changes I require, even I can raise a request in my task menu. Still that was in the working part, so I cannot show you that part. So still it is in the process. Now the detailed report I'm showing. Detailed report is again we're going to split into two parts, that is the assigned site and the unassigned site. Obviously, for if I'm having all the unassigned sites, still it is not assigned to any kind of contractor or any kind of employees. So it will going to hit me in the unassigned site, where I can view all my report which I have uploaded on my unassigned site. Still the site is why the site is not why not site is assigned right now. Everything I'll going to display over here. Currently all the site is being assigned, so there is no site is showing over here. As you can see, it's showing me no any unassigned site right now. I'll get all the site which has been assigned will display over here in the assigned site. I'm going to click on my DLF phase 2 which I have created. This is the graph I will going to get, like how much project is completed. As you can see, there is a red mark. You can see over here is to 1% completed. 1% completed in the sense, okay, this belongs to the contractor part. Contractor part have to adjust the thing. Okay, I have completed this phase for 1%. I have still the 99% is incomplete. Even our team is working, where you can our team is working to add one more tab over here where you can view your all the report for the site. You can review everything from here. It will going to divide from the completion of the graph. The graph will going to display how much percent is completed, how much percent is still pending, so that you can take your further process, or you can take your further step what to do for your completion and uncompletion process. This will going to display in the form of pie chart. So I've explained you the detailed report. Still the detailed report, one tab, as I told you, one tab will going to be added by our developer team. This is the add contractor page, where I'm going to add my contractor. If I want to keep my contractor, keep on adding me. If I'm not knowing any kind of site, I'm not having site right now, but if I was still want to add my contractor and keep in my save list, I can also add my contractor from here. I can save my contractor, and that contractor will be shown once my site will be created. I can click from the assign to a contractor. I will going to select my contractor from the drop down menu, and the site will be created. So now I've explained you the owner part, how exactly the owner part will going to work. My next episode will come where I'm going to explain you the contractor part. This contractor part I'm going to explain you in my next episode, and the third episode will come with the employee part. The complete process, the complete step-by-step process I'm going to explain you in detail, and furthermore videos will come with once the application is completely developed. I'm going to assign some kind of contractor, some kind of actual employer. I'm going to show the live location, exchange of report, exchange of detailed report. Everything will going to be launched very soon. This is a beta version, this is a testing version we have created, but soon this application will going to be hit on the Play Store and the App Store within